So this is the Republic of the Philippines, Southern Philippines Medical Center, oath of office. Please follow after me. I state your name. State your department. Having been appointed to the position of, state your position. Yeah, can you speak louder? Hereby solemnly swear. That's good. That I will faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the duties of my present position and among others that I may hereafter hold under the Republic of the Philippines, that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same, that I will obey the laws, legal orders, and decrees promulgated by the duly constituted authorities of the Republic of the Philippines, and that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily, without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God. Congratulations to the audience and the